Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use V2Art video effects and filters that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here at the top, search in V2Art. Alright, here it is, and before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this app: glitch, VHS, retro, and much more effects. So you can add filters to your photos or videos, like in this example. Change V2Art, convert your videos to art. There. Original effects, 90 plus video filters, change video to art, original effects, and so on. So there they have also cartoonized effects, and this one, and so much more. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Video to Art editor will change your standard movies and photos to art. Choose from many available filters that you can find in your gallery. The editor is very simple to use. Just apply a real-time filter and watch the result. Then save and publish it, no watermark. The app can edit your pictures the same way as videos. Just choose your pick and apply photo filters. You can also shoot colorful videos and play with colors. Apply the glitch art effect of chromatic filters. The key features available for this app: you can use a large number of lenses like Tunify, Fire, Instagram filters, 1977, Rice, Hudson, and more. Number 2, make retro old camera effects like film, scratch, vintage, movie, Polaroid or black and white, FX, and many more. You can also edit settings of your chosen effect, slide bar to adjust the result in our advanced camcorder. You can use a front or back camera, use videos from gallery. You have the option to easily play or delete all recorded videos. You can also this camera video editor with special effects for your mobile device. Turn your standard movies and photos into art. Change the look of your videos by choosing from many available filters. The number of options makes this app a must-have for any content creator. V2Art lets you create retro-style videos and photos using a large set of special effects and filters. Video FX Editor is easy to use and allows you to edit your videos in real time. You can put any photo or video as a background for effects. Choose from numerous lenses, flicker, and glitch effects. Have you ever wondered how to turn your everyday video into an amazing art masterpiece? With this glitch video editor, you can add all kinds of effects to your videos and make them look fantastic. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so here it is. And as you can see, we are now on the dashboard or the main page of the V2Art. So you can start process, brush, and so let's just go with the start process. And then record a movie, choose a movie, capture photo, choose photo. So these are the options that you can use. So you can record a movie if you would like. You can choose a movie if you already have a movie saved on your phone. Capture a photo or choose a photo that you already have on your gallery. So let's just choose a photo in this example, and then it's going to ask you to access photos. So let's allow it for this to work, and let's go with our gallery and pictures. All right, so let's just use this Jackie Chan's photo, and let's try this one. Okay, so here it is. So the no filter, and then white balance there, bokeh, sepia, grayscale, 1977, Amaro. So you have the option to choose the filters you like to apply to your photos. All right, just swipe to the left and you will see many more options. So you have this one, glitch, color glitch, desync. Alright, old photos. I'd like to try this one here, the color glitch. This one, desync. Alright, so let's say that I want this effect to be applied. All I need to do is just tap the save button here at the top, and there you have it. So you have now the option to either delete it by pressing this trash icon here, or you can use this button in here to share it. If you tap this one, you will have this option to share it to your social media or any other platform you have. Alright, let's go back, and yes, right now as you can see I'm using the pro version. So alright, so as you can see here I'm using the pro version, and you have the option to rate the app. As you can see here at the app, you have the option that, or you can just start with the process by tapping it here, and you will have these options again. So again, record a movie. You can choose a movie, capture a photo, choose a photo. It's up to you. So we've done with choosing a photo. You have the option to either record a movie, capture a photo. It's up to you. You can either pick any of these options in here. You can take a selfie of yourself and then customize it according to your needs. But let's just try another one. Choose a movie. Alright, so let's just go with the gallery. Let's find if, okay, I have one. Let's try this one here. Alright, let's, okay, this is the example videos that I have taken a long time ago. So you have the option to add a music, by the way, in here at the top. So at the top you have this option, the categories, add music, crop to save. It's up to you. So let's just add the Funka, and then okay. Again, you will not be able to hear the music because I will going to mute it, because due to copyright restrictions that YouTube, we're not allowed to use the copyrighted music. So I'm just going to mute it later on. And then the categories is where you can have this more options. Alright, so we haven't tried this earlier, right, with our photo. So this time let's try the effects. There you have the option to select more options that you can apply here below. There. So alright, this one's okay, that's cool. This one is glowing, ripple effect, party, and let's see, drunk, this dispersion. You see, that's this dispersion effect, speed, plasma. Alright, there's a lot of options. Rain, okay, that's cool. Matrix. So what else is available in here? Let's just swipe to the right and try some of the effects. Spyglass. Okay, there's really a lot, so you can just try it. Swipe to the right and choose the right filter for you. And let's go back to the category. Let's try the retro. Okay, this is for the retro effect. Okay, I see. That's great. That's good. Classic. So these are the classic effects. I think so. In this example, I'm just going to go with the retro and try the desync again. And in here you have the option to crop it by doing this. So you can start the video from here and end it in here. It's up to you. So I'm not going to crop it. I'm just going to use the whole video instead. So I'm just going to leave it like that, the default. Okay, it's going to look like that. There, the effects has been applied, and then let's just tap the save. You can crop the effects if you like, but I will not going to, because as you can see here, this is the effects being applied, right? So you have the option to crop it if you want to by tapping the crop to effect. I'm going to leave that as it is and save it. So right now it's processing. Please wait. So depending on the size of your video, this will take for a while to complete, but usually it will not take it will not take 5 to 10 minutes to complete this process, so just be patient and wait for a few minutes. Alright, so this is the result, and as you can see, the effects has been applied. So again, there's a lot of effects that you can use. You just have to select the best filters for you, for your needs. Alright, so let me just pause it, and in the bottom in here you see this icons. These icons represent social media platforms that you can share this video with. So YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and if you press this one, there's a lot more options. You have options to delete it as well in here, or you have the option to reverse. Let's try the reverse. This function is provided by our another application. Oh, I see. So if you want to reverse this, then you have to download this application, the same developer, I think, and they also have the slow motion if you like, if you want to. I'm going to skip that part. That will be for another video, and this one here is the result of what we have done earlier. And if you think you like this, then you can apply the same effect, this which is the font, but you have the option to select any filters you like. Alright, so it's done. Let me just go back to the home page, and again in here you have the option to invite friends by tapping this. There you can message your friends, and you rate the app. If you want to rate the app, there you have the option to do that. I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, and again you just have to tap the start process, or you can just tap the camera filters effect or the start process, and you will have these options again. So record, choose a movie, capture, and choose a photo. So it's really up to you. You can take a selfie of yourself, which is this option here, capture photo, and then apply the filters real time. It's up to you. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.